In the clothes, Mickey Mouse. This one, my bestie Leslie gave it to me as a gift, and we already have. Girl, what is it? Sunset Glow. So I kind of want either Leisure Rainbow or Red Cloud. Do you want any? Or Sunny Sky also even. It will be really good. Or The Secret. Ninizo IQ. Are we ready? Let's unbox. I like these ones because they're really like the colors are very nice. And the design and everything. So let's see what we girlies. This is adorable. Chadong. Long truck. Girlie, she traveled too much from somewhere. It's really good quality. I love them.